Yan pong maliit like pork sausage and then chicken sausage yung mahaba. This is our second day here in Georgia and we're going to have breakfast. This is their breakfast. This is our breakfast. Sorry. Kiss me, sorry. Cold cuts and cheeses. We have fresh salad here. And then the sausages. Siyempre, laging meron. Scrambled eggs. Rice. They have soup. Coffee. Also have coffee and juice. Other than the coffee, we have this as a treat. It's snowing outside. Winter morning, everyone.
Breakfast.
Someone's having breakfast.
Morning.
This is Godavari in Georgia. Okay, so what I'm having is yung pong rice nila na hindi ko alam, siguro brown rice yun or something.
Brown rice, masarap.
And white. And then yan pong maliit like pork sausage and then chicken sausage yung mahaba. And then we have pizza and then egg. And si husband na siyang sa he's having coffee and ano pa yung mix niya.
Omelette. Egg omelette. Sana. Ati. Kung pupunta po kayo dito sa Georgia, sa Godavari Inn, ito breakfast. Free breakfast. Yung kinuha po namin ni YP. Ayan. Ang snow na sa mga January kayo pupunta para ang snow makikita dito talaga.
Masarap po yung
Pork.
and sausage.
Pork. So, kung pork sausage niya, sir. Napakasarap.
So,
Pagkatapos po namin kumain, punta kami ng bundok. May service din po sila din.
okay, he's going to try the
Tikman natin yung cheese ng Georgian
Georgian cheese.
cheese.
Cheese ang siya dyan.
Dito.
Hindi po kasi kami nahilig sa cheese. Lasang cheese. Okay po siya. You might wanna try pag hindi siya pwede pa. Sarap.
Sarap. Very good.
Especially with bread.
Okay. Yun lang po. Maraming